Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Leaving Excalibur behind, we move onto the pedestrian overpass that spans South Las Vegas Boulevard. From here, the view shifts quickly from medieval towers to the skyline-inspired façade of New York, New York. This walkway connects two completely different resort concepts only a few steps apart, giving a clear look at how the strip blends themes and architectural styles side by side. As we cross, the collection of replica buildings at New York becomes more defined. The layered fronts, the stacked window lines, and a mix of colors that mimic sections of Manhattan's skyline. Even without going inside, the exterior alone shows how the resort compresses an entire city into a single block of Las Vegas Boulevard. Reaching the far side of the overpass, the path curves downwards towards the outdoor plaza that sits in front of the resort. From here, the large anchor structure ahead is unmistakable, the Statue of Liberty replica, positioned prominently along the strip-facing corner of the property. The statue stands beside a stylized base modeled after Liberty Island, surrounded by decorative stonework and the themed elements that completes the exterior scene. This area serves as a visual introduction to New York, using only its outdoor structures to set the theme long before anyone steps inside. The statue, the small island platform, and the skyline facades around it all work together to create a distinctive arrival space that stands out within the mix of resorts on this part of the strip. The walk over this overpass highlights how quickly the character of the city shifts as you move from one resort to the next. A short distance that transitions from the castle-themed Excalibur to the urban-inspired structure of New York, all connected through a single pedestrian link running above the boulevard.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.